Our project is indoor localization using visible light communication for visually challenged people. Our project members are Ajay, Balaji, and me Srinath. Our project is guided by Ms. V. Priya M.E., Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Coming to the abstract, we propose an indoor navigation system that utilizes visible light communication technology, which employs LED lights and geomagnetic correction method aimed at supporting visually impaired people who travel indoors. To verify the effectiveness of this system, we conducted an experiment targeting visually impaired people. Although acquiring accurate positional information and detecting direction indoors is difficult, we confirmed that using this system, accurate positional information and travel direction can be obtained by utilizing visible light communication technology, which employs LED lights and correcting the value of geomagnetic sensor integrated in the gadget. Coming to the existing system. In the olden days, for blind people, human guidance or walking stick are needed, and the blind people more physically and mentally affected. Coming to the disadvantages of our existing system. The existing system leads to injury in different cases while using walking stick. Visually challenged people needs the help of others to travel indoors. Depending of other people's gives the feeling of being a burden. Now coming to the literature. The research done by Enbing Liu has shown that in recent years, visible light communication considered as a compelling technology to solve the spectral problem of the traditional radio frequency communication has attracted attention in scientific and industrial communities. However, for a variety of reasons, the design of VLC uplink scheme has become significantly challenging problem. And next, the research done by Panagiotis Botsinis shows that with the proliferation of MM-wave systems and visible light communication, indoor localization may find multiple applications. When high localization accuracy is required and triangulation is not possible due to the infrastructure and scenery limitations. The computational complexity of searching on a virtual grid. Coming to the research done by Weeping Gone. Recently, visible light communication had gradually become a research hotspot in indoor environments because it advantages of illumination and relative high position accuracy. But unfortunately, in the matter of algorithm complexity and position accuracy, most exciting VLC based systems fail to deliver satisfactory performance. Coming to the research done by Argon MD, we investigate the impact of realistic light radiation pattern on vehicular VLC based on empirical study for typical car headlight and tail light modules. Our research community identified visible light as a communication technology that has a number of advantages to radio communication. Coming to the next literature survey. The research done by Path et Pathak shows that the solid state lighting is revolutioning the indoor illumination. Current incandescent and fluorescent lamps are being replaced by LEDs at a rapid pace. Apart from extremely high energy efficiency, the LEDs have other advantages such as longer lifespan, lower heat generation, and improved color rendering without using harmful chemicals. Coming to a proposed system. In our proposed system, we use visible light communication to send the data. Inside the home, light is passing in all the places. So visible light communication method is used to send the data for blind people. IR sensor helps in automating switching of lights and data is transferred to the light by using Li-Fi transmitter. The Li-Fi receiver receives the data and conveys it via speaker. In addition to the above, ultrasonic is used for obstacle detection. Coming to the architecture diagram and coming to the flow diagram.
Now coming to the hardware requirements. The hardware requirements are Arduino Uno ultrasonic sensor, APR voice module, speaker, Li-Fi transmitter and receivers, LCD power supply. And to the software requirements. The software requirements are Embedded C and Arduino IDE. Coming to the module description, our project consists of three modules. The modules are obstacle detection, automatic light switching system, visible light communication, and data processing unit. Coming to the obstacle detection, the ultrasonic sensor is used to detect the obstacle in front of visually challenged person. The ultrasonic sensor transmits ultrasonic waves and it is reflected to receiver when it hits an object. The speaker informs the person about the obstacle. Coming to the automatic light switching system, the IR sensor is used to turn on the light automatically. Whenever the visually challenged person enters a room, the IR sensor detects the person and turns on the light R2. Coming to the visible light communication, when the lights are turned on, the information of the room is transmitted through the light with the help the Wi-Fi receiver, which is embedded in the gadget of the visually challenged people, receives the information that is transmitted in the light by Wi-Fi transmitter and informs it via speaker. Coming to the data processing unit, Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on the Atmega 328 processor. It helps in storing and processing information, also transmits and receives data with the help of Zigbee. It contains everything needed to support the microcontroller. Simply connect it to a computer with a USB cable or power it with a AC to DC adapter or battery to get started. Coming to the screenshots, this is a screenshot of our demo kit. This is a screenshot before detection, and this one is the after detection. This is the program we used to implement our project.